Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, today we will take a look again on the Great British Pound, because as euro is still flirting with the Greece and the probable resolving of the Greece problem, the debt burden, that Greece would like to make the conditions of the servicing of this debt a bit softer, while the creditors who provided this debt to the Greece do not want to accept this, and this turmoil probably will last till the end of the month, but the dead point will come in the last month of the February, because as experts acknowledge, the Greece will not have after that the tools for the regulating of the short-term liquidity. They will need to provide the short-term aid for current payments. Well, that's why the tension around the Greece probably will hold till the end of the February. And right now, since the no solution have come, so you can see that euro currency stands really flat, and keep chances since the possible downward action and the possible upward continuation depending on the resolving of this problem. That's why we will try to find some more interesting currencies that provide some opportunities for trading in the nearest term perspective. Currently, guys, we see three currencies that could provide very interesting setups right now. They are Australian dollar, especially on the intraday chart, since the double bottom pattern is forming right now on the Australian dollar, that could trigger the deeper retracement on the Aussie. In the nearest perspective, also this double bottom is accompanied by the stop grabber, so I will show you just briefly. In Australian dollar, you can see this some sort of the double bottom on the 4-hour time frame chart is forming. And take a look, guys, here we have the bullish grabber, and the target of this grabber is not absolutely this top, but I think that this could become the pattern would trigger the taking out of these tops right here. So if market will move above the neckline, it could reach approximately the distance equal to the bottom, somewhere around 80-30 area. So that will be the minimum target of this pattern if it will work. Also, something interesting could appear on the Japanese yen, since market has completed the retracement that we have discussed previously. And as we have expected, market should turn to the upside action. And right now we see the signs that this upside action could start. But we will not talk about the Japanese yen right now, since we need some time to watch how this setup will be completed, and if it will give us the clear signal, the clear behavior that will definitely point in upward action, we will prepare the update on the Japanese yen. But right now, I would like to talk about the Great British Pound again, since the progress that we have discussed in our weekly research has happened. Let's take a look again at the daily time frame chart. I just remind you that our primary object on the current week is the area around 55.50, because if market will reach this level within the current week, that could become the pattern on the weekly chart that calls Brent body sell. And it means that if we will see price around 55.50, 55.60, major fib resistance on the weekly chart, here we will start to search for a possible taking the short position, because the target will be, if we suggest that market will reach this area, the target will be somewhere around 51.50 area, somewhere here. So that will be a really not small move. It's approximately 400 pips to the downside. Okay, that's why this situation right now is worth our attention. Meantime, in the shorter perspective, we said that this area is very strong resistance, is the monthly pivot resistance, 1 day lever band. It's probably market hardly will pass through it immediately. Probably it will show some retracement right back down after it will hit. And what we just expect is that market should show some new high on Monday, because on Friday market hasn't quite touched the 1618 extension target of this our major ABC bottom D pattern. And yesterday that has happened. So we can see market has hit this target and turned to the retracement immediately. That's absolutely normal action. At the same time, as market stands at overbought, we expect that retracement will be a bit deeper. And as a comparison of this possible retracement, we have taken this retracement, because here you can see market also has hit the overbought, and we will try to use this harmonic swing to understand where the target of this retracement could be. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that harmonic swing points approximately in an area around 52.90, 52.85 area. It's very close to the strong support areas. Weekly pivot support 52.53 fib support, and take a look, that's previous tops stands also right here. So that will be significant area, and it will not be the strategy if market will show some a bit deeper retracement and will reach this area instead of stopping somewhere on this level. So that's acceptable. Some area between 52.50, 52.80 area, that's the retracement where it should stop before market will turn to the upside. And if it will turn to the upside, if it will not turn to the upside from here to this area, well, in this case we probably will be watching for some other pattern on the weekly chart. But until the chances exist that market could reach this area within the current week, we will keep an eye on it. Also take a look that current situation was accompanied by this butterfly. This 1618 butterfly, we also have talked about it. That has triggered this retracement down. So currently we stand with this retracement. If we take a look at the hourly time frame chart, we'll see that this retracement takes the shape of the ABCD pattern. The target, take a look, 52.82. So that is the same area that stands with this harmonic swing. And that's the pattern that we will be watching for in the nearest future. And when it will be completed, we will think what to do. We can't exclude totally that we could try to take the long position as well here. This is the hope that market will continue move high and will hit the resistance on the weekly chart. But currently it's difficult to make these assumptions, because we do not know how this situation will develop. Maybe market even will not complete this ABCD, but instead of this, it will form the butterfly with the upside acceleration. And we could get, for example, if we suggest that we will get here the butterfly, maybe we will get even some sort of the 3-drive pattern or something of that sort that will trigger move to the upside. But still, guys, currently it's better to suggest that the deep retracement will happen, mostly because on this situation. Major target has been hit, market at overbought. This situation, market very often and as a rule makes deeper retracements, mostly because due to the overbought condition. That's why, although chance exists that it will turn to the upside right from this area, right from the weekly pivot point, but odds still suggest that the deeper retracement is more probable. So guys, our primary object is to trying to get the short position right here, if of course we will see this leg to the upside on the current week. Secondary object is for the scalp traders is maybe to think about the taking long here, but again we need to wait and see what will happen, what patterns will be formed here, whether we will be able to take the long position here in this attempt to continue move higher. Well, that's what we see right now on the Great British Pound. So that's been said, the first stage of our trading plan has been completed. The reversal around monthly pivot resistance, one daily overbought, and after completing the target of this ABC pattern has happened. So now we stand on the second stage, this retracement. The third stage will be the run to the 55.50 as we would like to get it. But currently it's not clear whether it will happen or not, but let's hope that it will happen, and it should happen smooth to the upside. So let's see, watch over the progress of this situation, and when the market will be here, let's see what we'll get right in this point.